Good morning, everyone. I just want to give a quick update on why I'm in longs on Bitcoin. This is just based on the 12-hour chart that I posted. We have a nice divergence forming here, pretty much flat price action, a huge strengthening of the AO. This is momentum indicator. If you don't have it, it's called the awesome oscillator, and the indicators it's a huge strengthening of the AO, hoping to flip it above the balance line of 0.00. As you can see, the 12 hour is one of my favorite to play. You have something similar here just a little bit ago on this drop, right? Divergence forms, divergence, weakening of the AO, short on this black bar because it did not go past this peak. The AO did not rise. Same thing here, and here would have been a long as well. And it really didn't take off, but you could have made a little bit of money, maybe 1,000 point move there. But yeah, this is just why I'm on long on Bitcoin for the coming week or so. So hopefully we see, as long as the Dow Jones and Nasdaq actually behave. But yeah, if you can, just like this video as always, subscribe to my channel, share it. You know that these trades come with a 90% hit rate. Just don't get greedy when they move in your direction. I think my average entry is like 19,280. My stops are below this local low here, so 17.5, but I'm looking for a 3,000 plus move, hopefully north here on this. Hopefully at least 22,500, if not back to this wick of 25,000, as long as we have a decent week with the Nasdaq. Other than that, yeah, like I said, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you want to take the trades with me, my referral links in my bio under the video. If you want to trade, I trade everything on PrimeXBT. All right, guys, chat soon.